Center point or object origin is a small dot at the origin of the object. It is not visible unless you select the object. Each mesh object in Blender has center point. To demonstrate this, I have a cube. G key to move. Zoom in a bit. There's a tiny dot at the center of the cube is the object origin. Here I am changing the mode to edit mode and change the view to wireframe. Here I am deselecting by left mouse click anywhere in the viewport. Center point is here. Holding left mouse click and drag to select the vertices. Then G key and move the mouse to the right to move the selection. You can see the center point stays where it is now. Now I select the whole cube and move away from the center point by pressing G key and left mouse click to confirm. Right mouse click to cancel the move. Now you can see the center point is not even the inside the cube. Any rotation, location or scale will use the center point of the object as pivot point. Let me demonstrate that. Here I am switching back to the object mode and switch to solid view from wireframe. R key to rotate. You can see the object rotate around the center point. Press S to scale and the object dimension changes around the center point. Now I can move the center point by right mouse click somewhere in the viewport while the object selected and set to origin to geometry. Now R key to rotate and it's rotating on the center point. Many Blender's rotation and scale tool operates to the emulation of the center point of the object. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.